everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So the previous video showed you a little bit about the Cheerful homes, the area around it, and now we're taking you on a ride from Cheerful homes through Clark Freeport through the Mabalacat gate. Distance from Cheerful homes down to the Mabalacat downtown, where you have the public market. The only red light in Mabalacat is about 3.5 kilometers. So here you go straight through the intersection. Here we got some police officers. You gotta wait. Alright, let's go. This will take you through the Mabalacat gate into Clark Freeport. To me, like they have just moved the exit point down the road a little bit. So let's see. Yeah, here it is. It's coming up right here. And this is the Mabalacat gate going into Clark Freeport. And the ride we are taking today is taking you through Mabalacat gate and passing by the airport. Sometimes I like to take these rides just to get out, get on my motorcycle, do a little ride here and there. Honey, what do you think about the Cheerful homes, by the way? While we are going down the road here, I thought it was looking pretty nice.
Yeah, it's pretty nice and huge.
Oh yeah, yeah, that was amazing. I think they said something about when it's fully built out, it's going to be like 3,500 units there.
Yeah, it's huge.
And I really hope that they have staff that can keep that maintenance going up there.
Yeah.
So, all right, we'll continue straight here. We're coming down towards the light. Here we're going to make a left turn. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane here, but we'll sneak over at some point. And that road directly take us by the Clark International Airport. So we're coming out by the what do you call it? It's called like an air museum and all that stuff. We're coming through.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
I think that one is park with there's yeah. It's like a airport's park.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know exactly what it is, but I know it's like an air museum. It's a park. You can go there, and I know families are going there, especially on the weekends. You can have a little picnic. You can do a lot of things there, including see. One of my favorites there is actually the helicopter that was part of the Vietnam War. They were pretty cool helicopters, actually.
Yeah.
Amazing. Anyway, so we are now here coming up. I think this is the light. Yes, it is. This is the light at the airport.
Yeah, the left left turn is going to airport. Not
The left turn is taking us into the
Yeah.
airport here. So yeah, there it is. So then the strip is taking us out through by the park, and then through up towards the Friendship Gate, and we're just going to continue straight through there also once we get there in a few minutes.
Yeah. It's also amazing inside Clark because there's a lot of establishments. Like most popular restaurant inside Clark is like unlimited, like Korean restaurant.
Yeah, they have some. They have some right here. We just passed a couple of Korean restaurants
Yeah.
just prior to the airport,
Yeah.
And they've got pretty good food actually. So
Yeah, it's popular today.
right, yeah, they are.
The Filipino likes unlimited.
They, why do they like unlimited?
Unlimited rice, unlimited meat, unlimited iced tea, everything there's an unlimited we like.
Yeah, well, that's a good thing. I know you do. We go to Korean restaurants sometimes.
Yeah.
Unlimited is on the menu. We have what's that one called? We go to once in a while.
Bamboo,
Bamboo.
Korean bamboo.
Korean bamboo up here in Daul,
Yeah.
where we live, and it's they're pretty good food actually. We'll go there once in a while, maybe once a month or so.
We don't eat there often, very often. We just eat once a month.
Yeah,
If we have a little bit, what is it? Time. Because sometimes or mostly we're very busy doing some vlogs every day.
yeah. That's another thing, you know. We were talking about that a little bit. Doing a blogging, video blog. We are doing this purely for fun at this point.
Yeah.
And we have had some really good responses. The channel has been growing fine. We started towards the end of September, I believe it was. We are now narrowing in on 1,000 subscribers here, and we hope we get there within the next month or so.
Yeah.
And that reminds me, you know, if you're by the way, we just passed the park here.
Yeah.
And now we're coming up to the main road that leads up to, if you take a right turn here, you go up towards Fontana, and making a left turn here, which this is the actual airport exit off the main gate entrance. So
Yeah.
so this is the airport exit. All right, so next will down here will be the Friendship Gate, I think it's called. But we're going to go all the way down to the main gate. We'll take you through there.
Yeah.
So what did we say here? We said something about the
Vlogging, doing vlog.
doing vlogs. We're doing it purely for fun. We're trying to build it up, obviously. At this point, it is a lot of work, and that makes us a lot busy.
We need more advice from those who have lots of subscribers now. If you are new subscribers here in our channel, please send a message to us so we can reply or enter what is it?
Well, comment, yeah, comment. You know, that's one thing with us. We'd like to do things. Okay, we just passed the Friendship Gate. Now we're coming down to the gate here where I don't know what they call it. It's right off of
Friendship?
no,
This one is
Don Yuico Avenue.
Don Hueco.
Yeah, so we're passing that gate and coming down towards the main gate here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we like to have interaction with our
Interaction, yeah.
subscribers, where you please feel free to comment. We take positive criticism very seriously, and also we have tried this video, and the previous video is actually created because we had subscribers that wanted us to do certain things, and we are trying to meet the wishes of our subscribers. So if you have things you want to see, special areas, special interest, other things, then please don't hesitate at all to just throw us a comment, and or go to our website that you have there. We're going to throw it up again so you can see the website address. Go there and contact us there, and we will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. All right. So we are coming down on the main gate here. I always say, why do they have to keep these things so narrow?
Yeah, so
When you
it's
have
not so wide.
Yeah, when you have your safety bars and other things, and a little bigger.
How about if you have a big bike?
Yeah.
You can.
Yeah, well, I would go by in the car lane with the big bike. Anyway, so that's what we are doing. We want interaction with you guys, and we are so happy that you are here.
Always, when we have new videos, you're always there to do some comments and interact also.
Yeah. So please don't hesitate to share our videos. Give us a like or a dislike if you don't like what we're doing.
Yeah. That's your choice.
We are not afraid of dislikes either.
Yeah.
What I like though, if you do a dislike, I would like a comment in the comment section saying, hey, here's a reason I didn't like the video, or whatever, the content or whatever.
Yeah.
You can just comment on it, and we'll try to do it better over and over and over.
Yeah, we're just beginners. We are a beginner blogger.
So we are coming down to Astro Park, and our journey will end right here. We are on our way back home.
Yeah.
We're going to end the video right here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share and like, and God bless everybody.
See you in the next video.
Right, and we love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you very much.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Bye bye.